Hey mathematicians! First of all, I'm going to apologize for all the background noise. My family is being really loud inside, but apparently my surroundings are kind of loud out here too because the neighbor's dog is barking and there's a lot of loud bugs here. But anyway, to find the median, which is what the real point of this is, we need to do two things. We need to, first of all, order it from least to greatest. Honestly, it really doesn't matter if it's least to greatest or greatest to least, but we'll go ahead and do it that way. But you can tell I actually gave it to you in order already because the smallest starts at 3 and it goes in order to 9. So it's already in order from least to greatest. It can kind of help though if you take a set like this and actually write it out where you can actually see. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. And another piece of advice I want to make sure I give you is making sure that you actually included every number. Frequently, it's really easy to check to make a mistake. So step 2 is check for mistakes. So did I actually get every number? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers written down. So I'm going to make sure that I have 11 numbers in my original list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. So it looks like I didn't make a mistake putting it in order from least to greatest. So step 2, well, I guess I should call this step 3, obviously, is find the middle. So if I look, because there's 11 numbers, that means I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, I should make a color that actually kind of shows up more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then on the back side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that means the number that is in the middle, in this case right here, is 4. So that is your median. Now for problem 2. First of all, once again, we still need to make sure that we put them in order, which I still think it's easier just to write it out. So 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, and then 7 and 7. Step 2, make sure you check for mistakes. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers in my list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers in the original list. So I'm probably correct. And now for step 3, we need to find the middle, right? So if I'm looking at this list, there are 10 numbers. So that means there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then on the other side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what if you don't have 1 in the middle? The first thing you're going to do is look at the 2 numbers in the middle. So if I zoom in here, the 2 that are in the middle are 5 and 5. And you add them, then divide by 2. But since both of the 2 numbers in the middle are a 5, in this case we just know that it's a 5.